I'm Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. What are the symptoms of pregnancy after IVF? This is the topic of discussion for today. The symptoms of an IVF pregnancy are very similar to a natural pregnancy. It's not very different, but I'm going to tell you what the difference could be and where is the confusion over here. So in an IVF pregnancy, once the embryo is put back in, a lot of supplements are given, estrogen, progesterone, to support this pregnancy, to increase the blood flow to the uterus. So the symptoms not only come from the pregnancy, they can even come from the medications that you're taking. This extra supplementation of progesterone and estrogen can also give you these symptoms of pregnancy, which are breast tenderness or cramps, soreness or nausea, constipation. All these can also come from progesterone and estrogen supplementation that we are giving after the embryo transfer. About 1 to 2 weeks later, the embryo begins to release beta HCG, and that's when symptoms are profound. Now, the confusion comes because you don't know whether you're getting these symptoms because of the medications or because of the pregnancy itself. Also, you have to understand there could be a little bit of implantational bleeding with IVF pregnancies, which means that when the embryo is implanting, when it is digging into the walls of the uterus, there could be a little bit of implantation bleed. So these are the symptoms and they are very similar to a natural pregnancy. So how do you confirm? 2 weeks after the embryo transfer, blood test is performed, which is called as a serum beta HCG level test. Depending on the results, you will know if you're pregnant or not. Any value above 80 international units per ml is supposed to be pregnancy, but if it is above 100, supposed to be a healthy pregnancy. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.